NAD, nicotinamide, adenine, dinucleotide. Say that 3 times. It is an essential coenzyme in our bodies that's responsible for over 500 different types of activities that are happening in our cells. We have to have NAD for our cells to be alive and for them to work. And as we age, NAD declines in our cells. Now, NAD has what we would call redundancy, meaning there's multiple different types of precursors that can help make NAD. You want to have plenty of precursors when you have times of metabolic stress. Our cells are amazing machines. They're constantly fixing themselves, but they need NAD in order to do that. And when they're overworked, they need to pull on those precursors to make more NAD. When we started to recognize NAD and why it was essential to the body, there was a disease called pellagra. Pellagra was a deficiency in a form of vitamin B3. And niacin was the very first vitamin B3 that was discovered. Then we have some of the heroes that are the newer kids on the block. We have NMN, and then we have nicotinamide riboside. And so nicotinamide riboside is endogenous, meaning that it's part of our body, it's found there naturally, and it is one of the most, if not the most, efficient and effective NAD precursors.